Okay guys, I know I haven't seen you in a while. Made you a video in a while, I should say. But this is what I've been up to. That, which I will go over in a minute. And getting my beloved machinery ready to go. See right there, I got the wheel rake on the 1135. I got the mower on the Super 90. The 451 New Holland Sycamore, by the way. I don't know where all that oil came from, but anyway, came from something, that's for sure. I'll have to investigate. See, Super 90. This thing has got a lot of hours on it, but I'm not sure exactly how many because tach don't work. But nonetheless, so all I do with this tractor is run the mower right now. I try to. Only time I ever take that quick hitch off 1135 is when I round bale, and that's so I can run the 3-point forks because my forks are not quick hitch accessible, which may change. But the other side of that is, you hook to them with the forks, you're setting it back that much farther and you're losing that much more capacity that you can pick up. So I don't know. The quick hitch is a pain in the ass to take on and off. It's worse on the 1135 because that quick hitch isn't meant for that tractor, it's meant for this tractor. And I don't have the bigger quick hitch that's actually meant for the 1135, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to put on and off of there because you have to kind of wedge it in there in the right spot. But 2 people, a little bit of time, you can get it on. So I try not to take it off anymore than I have to. I got the 460 over there behind the trailer there. I don't know if I'm gonna square bale with that one that tractor this time, or if I'm just gonna continue to use the Massey. I haven't decided yet. All depends if I'm round baling at the same time. If the ditches are dry enough, I think I'm gonna go knock a whole lot more hay down this week, or well, Sunday, possibly tomorrow afternoon, and try to get it up before Thursday. So, or Wednesday, whenever the chance of rain is. So anyway, that's what's been going on around here. Just getting stuff ready to go. I actually just got back from mowing with this. I went over and oh, where the hell all that oil's coming from? It's engine oil. Oh, it's. I bet he got it all over everything when he was putting 80-90 weight on the bar. Anyway, I actually just got back from mowing the road ditches along my property with it again. And it works really well. Now to this. This is a 94 6.5 turbo diesel. It is a first year of the Parcel Authority bullshit. The reason I say it's bullshit is because it is bullshit. Parcel Authority sucks. I hate it. And the more and more I have to work on this one, the more I hate it even more. That Parcel Authority is just a fucking joke. Anyhow, there's an injector directly behind here. It's cylinder 6. The only way to get to it is to pull this turbo off. And that really isn't that big of a job. I got the intake and everything off, but that was for a separate matter. I had to put all new seals and stuff in that, and do a couple other things. And I was checking to see if them injector lines were tight, and see if it was sucking air someplace. But you don't have to pull that off to change the injector. There's 4 nuts. I know you guys can't see it. On the bottom side of this flange, there's 4 nuts. One in this corner, on the back corner, that corner, and that other back corner. Then there's 2 bolts on. Let's see if I can get you a little better view here. That tube right there that runs down, that black tube, there's 2 bolts on that, one on either side. The one on the other side is a real pain in the ass to get to. And you can see them nuts right there. Them are just nuts, and then that clamp. And then that folds right off of there. I don't know if you have to take the wheel well out, like I did, to pull that turbo off, but it made it a lot easier for me. So, and it's really not that hard to pull out. You can pull every one of them bolts that holds that wheel well in out with an impact and a 13mm socket. So it didn't take any time at all. I would advise though that you pull the battery out before you do it, but I didn't. But anyway, and it still misses. Not sure why, but it pops and bangs and pops and bangs and pops and bangs, and I see why. Hold on a second here. I'll bet you that if I could find, which I think it's that one right there. It's not. This truck is a wiring disaster. So, yeah, I bet that resets my code. I did not realize that was unhooked. That is the water temp sensor for the computer. And that could cause it to pop and bang. So, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start it and see if it still does it. Because this service engine light was not on. Before. And yes, you can start them. Yeah, see, that wasn't on before, but I don't know if that's what was setting my service engine light or not. All I might do is reset the computer, because that was why it was idling high. But it'll sit and pop and bang. You heard a little bit of it. It's not doing it now. It's an idle. It was before. It is this one, that one, right there. 5 and 6. And I replaced number 6 injector. I have not replaced number 5 injectors, but it looks like they have. Somebody has. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's a good injector either. this injector ain't bad. Got it advanced. The pump should be advanced right now. Idle for quite some time with no issues, and then it'll just randomly miss. The light's still on, so generally if it's something like that and you plug it back in, that light will go off. Not all the time, but I don't know what the issue is. If any of you do, please comment. Let me know. Thank you.